Yo, what's up everybody? It's Airlines Vacation here, planning your next cruise vacation. Before you pack your bags, there's one popular travel accessory you might want to leave behind. Seriously, I'm talking about something so common you'd never expect it. A recent change in cruise line policies has caught many travelers off guard. We're talking about something that could seriously put a damper on your trip. Let's kick things off. Alright, so we're starting off with a big one. Carnival Cruise Line has recently updated its list of prohibited items, and guys, let me tell you, some of the stuff on this list is wild. But there's one item in particular that has surprised a lot of travelers. Bluetooth speakers, those portable devices you love to bring along for music and entertainment, banned. Carnival ships are now officially Bluetooth speaker-free zones. Think about it, you're on a massive ship in the middle of the ocean. If there's an emergency, those announcements could be the difference between life and death. Now, imagine you're jamming out to your tunes, completely oblivious to the world around you. Not exactly the best-case scenario, right? Safety has to come first. It could end up being confiscated, and nobody wants to start their vacation off on the wrong foot. Respecting the rules and keeping the volume down means everyone can enjoy their vacation safely and responsibly. Many other cruise lines have similar restrictions on items that could potentially pose a safety risk or disrupt the onboard environment. Firearms and ammunition, leave those at home. Sharp objects, knives, scissors, not allowed. Illegal drugs? Come on guys, seriously? You're on vacation, not a one-way ticket to a foreign jail. Safety first, people. Check the cruise line's website for a complete list of prohibited items. When you're on a cruise, you're subject to the laws of the ship and the countries you visit. Each port of call has its own set of rules, and you are responsible for knowing and following them. This includes customs regulations, visa requirements, and even dress codes. Some countries have strict laws regarding the import of certain items, like food, alcohol, or even religious artifacts. Ignorance is no excuse. These guys are serious about protecting US agriculture, and they enforce strict regulations on items brought into the country. We're talking fruits, vegetables, meats, anything that could potentially carry pests or diseases. No souvenirs in the form of exotic fruits or plants. No bringing back that salami you found at the market in Italy. It's not worth the risk of getting hit with a hefty fine or even facing legal action. Outro, pack smart, cruise safe. So there you have it, guys. The cruise industry is changing, and it's more important than ever to stay informed about the latest rules and regulations. By being aware of the restrictions and packing accordingly, you can avoid any unpleasant surprises and focus on what really matters, enjoying your well-deserved vacation. Do your research, pack smart, and most importantly, have an amazing time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and advice. And remember, always pack smart.